In the heart of India lies a centuries-old mystery shrouded in the aroma of spices and warmth of tradition. Today we embark on a journey into the aromatic world of Masala Chai, the spice tea of India. But first, subscribe and become a member of our growing community. Picture this. The sun peeks over the horizon, casting a golden hue on the bustling streets of Kolkata. Amidst the chaos, there's a comforting rhythm. The clinking of pots, the sizzle of frying spices, and the laughter of locals starting their day. But amidst this symphony of life, there's an unsung hero, quietly brewing in the corners of every street corner cafe, Masala Chai. Masala Chai isn't just any ordinary tea. It's a potion crafted from the finest blend of spices, tea leaves, and a dash of nostalgia. But where did this aromatic elixir originate? Legend has it that Masala Chai traces its roots back to ancient India, where Ayurvedic healers roamed the land, armed with knowledge of herbs and spices. They sought to create potions that would invigorate the body and soothe the soul, and thus, Masala Chai was born. Infused with the warmth of ginger, the sweetness of cardamom, and the kick of black pepper, Masala Chai was more than just a beverage. It was a remedy for life's ailments, a hug in a cup, if you will. And though centuries have passed since those ancient healers first brewed their magical concoction, the spirit of Masala Chai lives on, woven into the fabric of Indian culture, a testament to the power of tradition and the enduring legacy of flavor. But the story of Masala Chai is far from over. As the sun sets on the horizon, casting long shadows across the bustling streets of Delhi, whispers of an ancient legend echo through the alleyways, the mystery of Masala Chai's origins. Let's delve deeper into this enigma and uncover the truth behind this beloved brew. While the exact origins of Masala Chai are shrouded in mystery, one thing is certain: its roots run deep into the rich tapestry of Indian history. Some believe it was birthed in the foothills of the Himalayas, where sages and mystics roamed, concocting elixirs to nourish both body and soul. Others speculate that Masala Chai emerged from the bustling markets of ancient spice trade routes, where merchants from distant lands bartered exotic ingredients and culinary secrets. Regardless of its origins, Masala Chai's journey through history is as captivating as the spices that infuse its essence. From the opulent courts of Mughal emperors to the humble kitchens of village homes, Masala Chai has traversed time and space, leaving a trail of aromatic memories in its wake. But perhaps the greatest mystery of all lies not in Masala Chai's past, but in its enduring allure, a timeless blend of warmth, spice, and community that continues to captivate hearts and palates to this day. So as we sip our cups of Masala Chai and ponder the mysteries of the universe, let us remember that sometimes the greatest secrets are found not in the answers, but in the journey of discovery itself. With the arrival of the British East India Company in the 17th century, tea cultivation spread across the subcontinent like wildfire. But for the locals, tea was more than just a commodity. It was an opportunity to infuse their own flavors into a foreign tradition. Enter Masala Chai, the fusion of Indian spices with British tea that would soon become a symbol of cultural resilience and culinary innovation. At first, Masala Chai was a delicacy reserved for the elite, enjoyed in the opulent courts of Mughal emperors and British viceroys. But as the winds of change swept across the land, Masala Chai found its way into the hearts and homes of the masses. From the bustling streets of Calcutta to the tranquil villages of Kerala, Masala Chai became more than just a beverage. It was a symbol of unity, a bridge between cultures, and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. And as the sun sets on another day in colonial India, one thing is clear. Masala Chai is not just a drink. It's a story, woven into the fabric of Indian culture and passed down from generation to generation with love and pride. As the morning mist lifts over the bustling streets of Mumbai, a symphony of spices fills the air, the unmistakable aroma of Masala Chai. But what is it about this humble brew that captivates the senses and warms the soul? Beyond its enticing aroma and bold flavor, Masala Chai holds a treasure trove of health benefits passed down through generations of Indian tradition. Take ginger, for example, a staple spice in Masala Chai known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to soothe upset stomachs. Then there's cinnamon, with its natural sweetness and potential to regulate blood sugar levels. And let's not forget about the star of the show, black tea. Packed with antioxidants and caffeine, black tea not only provides a gentle energy boost, but also promotes heart health and mental clarity. But perhaps the most magical aspect of Masala Chai lies in its ability to bring people together. to foster connections, spark conversations, and create cherished memories. Whether it's a steaming cup on a chilly winter morning or a refreshing iced version on a sweltering summer day, masala chai has a way of transcending time and space, weaving its spell over all who partake in its warmth. As the sun sets over the bustling streets of New Delhi, a cautionary tale whispers through the evening breeze, the dark side of masala chai. While this spiced elixir may seem like a harmless indulgence, there are pitfalls lurking beneath its flavorful surface. Let's explore the shadows of masala chai. While a moderate consumption of masala chai can offer a plethora of health benefits, from aiding digestion to boosting immunity, excessive intake can lead to a series of undesirable side effects. Firstly, let's talk about caffeine. While the caffeine content in masala chai is lower than that of coffee, indulging in multiple cups throughout the day can still lead to caffeine overload, resulting in jitteriness, anxiety, and even heart palpitations. Secondly, masala chai's invigorating properties can disrupt sleep patterns, especially if consumed in the evening or before bedtime. The combination of caffeine and spices can stimulate the nervous system, making it difficult to unwind and achieve restful sleep. And let's not forget about the potential downside to masala chai's rich, dark hue, dental stains. The tannins present in black tea can adhere to tooth enamel over time, leading to unsightly discoloration and a less than dazzling smile. So while indulging in a cup of masala chai can be a delightful experience, it's essential to do so in moderation. Like any indulgence, too much of a good thing can have consequences. As we bid farewell to the shadows of masala chai, let us remember to savor its warmth and flavor responsibly. So there you have it, folks, the intriguing tale of masala chai, a beverage steeped in history, mystery, and a whole lot of flavor. Join me next time as we uncover more delicious secrets on Food Story, and until then, remember, sip responsibly and stay spiced.